So hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video you have learned how to download AI, Adobe Illustrator, how to install and download it. Install process is very easy. You have get the install process from any tutorial such as on my video on the link below it if I had some time. Here it is our you have interface. Now close it. Now I will show how to download it. You have Opera browser. I have no internet access to the computer, so I do not show to you. Download and search here Adobe Illustrator. And then click it. I have no internet, so it's not. So let's go back. I have the setup from my mobile. I download in mobile and send to the software. Where you have, then if you install it, then how to download? Here you go software. The minimum requirement is Windows 10.1 to the 11 or later. Then click up setup. It will show the following conditions. It cannot be changed English North America as you have to be. It's okay North America. I check if I have my language in it. No. Okay. Then continue. They have a 5 installing 5%. You have to be wait. Depend on your PC. So it's happening. I tell you how it takes space in your PC. Properties. Take 1.86 GB, round off to 2 GB. Not enough. It's matter because it has qualities in it. Let's take it. Take time. It take time. 81%, 95. Okay. Illustrator 2000 has been successfully installed. We used 2019. I like it, so I download it. Then where you download, go it. So I download in C, but indirectly you search it here because in C you have no enough time to find it. Adobe Illustrator here. Then click it. You have access to it. So from here you may know if you want to I make video on how to create images, then please tell me. Okay, thank you. See you next video.